Back with another video, guys. Listen, you see it, or if you don't see it, come on in. Let's get a close up of these. Look at these guys. These are brand new patches. Look at that. Look at the complexity. Look at that. What does that look like? That looks like a patch, right? It's actually a DTF transfer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys our brand new product. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Carl, straight out of content. You got Miss Flash Custom Transfers on the background, on the camera, on the ones and twos. We got an iron here. You guys are like, what? We've seen an iron before. Can you press DTF with an iron? Yes. These are our iron-on DTF transfers. Now I'm going to show you guys how to press our little patches. These are actually 4-inch patches, babe. 4-inch patches? Yeah, these are 4-inch patches. We have everyone that you see here. This will all be available on the website on a pre-made gang sheet, pre-made patch gang sheet. Look at this. Look at the clarity. Like, that is amazing, right? Doesn't that look like a patch? So it's gonna come on a gang sheet that looks like, stay right there. It's gonna come on a gang sheet that looks like this. I think we'll have like a few more. So you will be able to get this pre-made patch gang sheet. Pre-made patch gang sheet. This gang sheet will be 20 bucks. Pre-made patch gang sheet already. Look, go ahead and get a close up of all those images and more. There will be more images on the final gang sheet as well. And then if you want a custom one, that one will also be 20 bucks, but the pre-mades will be 20. So the gang sheet will come with, there'll be a 4-inch gang sheet and there'll be a 3-inch gang sheet as well. And then, but if you guys want custom sizes for your patches, just let us know. We can create that gang sheet. It'll just be $19.99. Don't forget right now, as far as this video, today is December 23rd. Everything on the website is 25% off. Go use code FLASH25 and you'll get 25% off your order for Christmas, December 25th. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. Again, it's our brand new product. I haven't seen it anywhere. Have you seen it anywhere, babe? No, Chelly's deepy. So what I'm gonna do is I have my daughter's denim jacket here. You bought this for her, right?
Yeah, a long time ago.
A long time ago when she was a eeny weeny tiny little girl. So we have these cool patches. I'm going to show you guys how to iron these on, or you can use your official heat press to put them on, or you can use like the little professional iron, and I'll show you guys that way too. So we're going to do a couple patches, just kind of liven this jacket up. Where do you think, because you're a girl, and I want to put this one on there first. Where should I put this?
What is it?
The first patch.
Oh, well, I couldn't see.
Are you too far away?
No, you had it turned the other way. So unicorn?
Yes. Like,
I don't know what your vision is for this.
You know, like a jacket, a denim jacket, and you load it up with patches.
So on the arms? Or?
Yeah, on the arms, on the front. Where do you think this first unicorn, because this is going to be the big statement, you know what I mean? And it's kind of big too, so I'm trying to think of where I should put it. Should I put it on the back, at the top, you know what I mean? Right there.
Fit?
It actually, yeah, I can make it fit right there at the top. What do you think?
Yeah.
Right there at the top in the back? Okay, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna take our unicorn. I'm gonna get some heat tape. You might pass me the heat tape. This is a trusty dusty heat tape. Trusty dusty, hey. And what you're gonna do is with heat tape, this is the tape that you can actually press on. So you don't have to worry about your item coming up and you don't have to worry about burning your tape. You can actually press, tape that there. Should I put a pillow underneath this? Or do you think that the towel will be okay?
I don't know. What was your experience the last time you pressed a patch? Did you press a patch before?
Not a patch. This is the first time with the patches. I pressed
with the iron.
With the iron. Actually, what I'm going to do is open this up because I want to be as flat as possible. But I do, you know what? I think I might use the pillow, a little bit of it if I can. Okay, so I got it on there pretty good. I'm going to grab my pillow. Just a Teflon pillow, guys. I really recommend this. This thing is saved us a lot in the world of pressing custom apparel. Kind of put that underneath there. Because when I press with that iron, see I'm pressing with my hand, I want even pressure. Okay, all right, so our iron has been going. You want to put your Teflon sheet. Now again, I've messed up this before because I pressed for a minute because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. So when you're pressing with an iron, you want to stay within our whatever we call our parameters of your press instructions. So that's 10 to 12 seconds, heavy pressure. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put our Teflon sheet down, face down, and then we're gonna do 10 to 12 seconds with the iron, and then we're gonna cool. We do not wanna peel hot. So the iron is on. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi. Okay. And then I think right here, I didn't get too good. Ooh, good. That looks good on there. That looks good. I'm just gonna hit it like with like one of these, like a little pressure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put our iron to the side. Grab our trusty fan because we want to cool it down. Leave that buddy on there. We want to cool this. Now, denim is a really thick material, so and we're working really solid image. So that adhesion is gonna wanna stick very well in this. The denim has pores in it, really good pores, and then that adhesion is gonna wanna adhere to those pores. So this should adhere very well. But again, I'm working with an iron. With a press, it would have done it easy. Or with the official press that I have over there, which I'll do next. So a little warm, oh, it's actually still a little hot. We'll flip it up here, do the back. Oh yeah, you can feel the heat come through. So that little iron gets hot. All right, it's cool to the, oh.
Give it a little peel.
Yeah, give it a little jelly tap. Y'all ready? All right, we're gonna do our first patch. It's our first ever patch, first ever DTF patch. Again, this product will be available on the website, flashcustomtransfers.com. Let's try to peel our first patch. Let's see if the iron did it. Which angle do you think I should start from? Down there, okay. Oh, wow, it looks real. Now, guys, this shadow effect, don't worry about that. That's gonna be removed in the final images, but I kind of like it. It does give it some little depth or whatever, but all that is just a shadow effect. And we tell you guys that sometimes the shadow effect isn't good. So we get a lot of images that kind of have this shadow effect, but we will actually remove that in the for the final product. So you guys will not have that. Remember, these are prototypes, tests, so that we can make stuff and film with, but the final product will not have that. And some of these images don't have shadow effects, like this one doesn't have it at all, right? But then an image like this one doesn't have it at all. Which one has it? I know one had it like really good. This one really doesn't have it. Is it the strawberry or the dice? The dice. See down there? Kind of has that shadow effect. You know what I mean? So look at that though. Oh, we got to do our second press.
Second press.
Second press, 6 seconds. And guys, look, these are actually iron on. We're ironing them. We're ironing them. We are ironing them. Are you feeling? It's late, guys. It is 11:20. It's 11:20. It's 11:20 at night, December 23rd, and we're still 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. I almost put this back under there. Okay, that is it. She is in there, guys. Get a good look at that. Ah. It's hot, yeah. Look at that. That is amazing. You would not, the only way that you would know that that's not a patch is if you touched it.
Yeah, look, it looks just like a patch.
It looks just like a patch, and especially with the denim, that's why I wanted to really do it on denim. Yeah. Because patches look so good on denim. It's hot though, look at that. Crazy. Isn't that crazy? Like, you're not gonna know that this isn't a patch. So it's just crazy. Like, I'm super excited. Again, we recommend you guys doing this with, you guys pressing your DTF with your press. That's really the best thing to do. But again, I'm just showing you guys, if you just wanna jump online or you just wanna just make something cute for your daughter, for your friend, you know what I mean? We got the cool fire patch here. We got some headphones. Got the space, you know what I mean? We got the American flag, and we're gonna continue to release more. And we got the bumblebee here, right? The cherries, the rose. I really like the rose. Really like the rose. You know what I mean? The fruits, the ice cream. Nope, this one's funny. Nope, like love, nope. If you wanted to make just really cool projects or whatever, you now have the opportunity to do patches. We're gonna continue to work on images, converting them into patches. So it's a lot of work. It is not easy. It's a lot of work to convert an image into a patch and then print it. But Chelly and I and Flash Custom Transfers and Marianne, we are working very hard. How's that look? I don't know.
It's really good.
Does it look really good? Yeah, guys, and it's still flexible.
Let me take a picture.
Oh, yep. So I'm definitely gonna hook up this jacket. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna put one because she likes to wear it with the collar up. They're actually kind of big, they're 4 inches. So maybe I'll get some littler ones, some 3 inch or even some 2 inch. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably make a gang sheet with 2 inches, 3 inches and 4 inches, because I think the 2 inch patches would be perfect for this little jacket. She's a little 10-year-old, little skinny, little 10-year-old, you know what I mean? But I think these 4 inch patches, these are more for adults, you know what I mean? But I will put those available on the website. So by the time this video comes out, you will have the option to get the 2 inch, 3 inch or 4 inch and all the patches that we have available. And as we continue to create new patches, we will release those. So guys, yes, you can create, patches and custom apparel with our new product. So please go out and do that. Head on over to the website now. Go get your brand new DTF Flash Custom Transfer patches. Don't forget that name. Remember, we're the first one. Remember, we're the first ones with the gang sheet. And then other companies started using gang sheets. So remember, we are the first ones with patches. So don't, if anybody else steals our patches, let them know where you got it from first. Flash Custom Transfers, we now have patches, real life DTF patches. Go get them, as well as our 22 by 24 gang sheets, 22 by 36, and 22 by 60. We also have 22 by 24 sublimation gang sheets as well. So for all the sublimation people out there, if you have a sublimation product, we can handle that as well. Guys, also, if you need any graphic design, if you need anything like logos created, image vectors, image quality, like say you have a screenshot, but you want the image brought to a really high resolution, we can do that as well. We can do all graphic design projects. Just let us know for your school, for your college, for anything, for your church, for your community. Let us know. We would love the opportunity to work with you. We hope that you guys have a super happy holidays, all the holidays out there. We hope that you have a safe holiday. Please stay warm. It's really cold out. We love you guys. This ain't the last video of the year, but it's one of them. So thank you guys. Be basic. Peace.